And of course, kung napanood nyo na, you'll know that Bye 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 was used in the movie's opening credit. Excellent. Chef's kiss na opening credits. Siyempre, pag Deadpool, ang opening credits yan lagi yung sobrang creatively done, 3D lettering, alongside the action, kumbaga. Pero ito, ginawa niya to the beat of Bye Bye Bye. Yung action, na sobrang talagang, ganda.
One of the best opening sequences in any movie.
Yes,
actually.
That's true. Tapos, intercut doon sa action sequence na sinasayaw ni Deadpool yung choreography.
Ginawa niyang diegetic music yung
True.
Yung song.
At sinasayaw niya yung choreography na accurate doon sa music video.
Oo, ang gago
ng
talaga.
Bye Bye Bye. Alam mo, ito yung pinag-usapan nga natin to after natin siya mapanood na parang ilalabas kaya nila sa YouTube to ng buo. Yung parang Deadpool dancing to Bye Bye Bye.
Ryan Reynolds is not above that.
Ay, nako.